morning. I'm Devasena. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about Hall effect sensor. This topic is present in the subject mechatronics as well as in sensor subjects also. Let us discuss the topic Hall effect sensor. Hall effect sensor, a device which converts magnetic or magnetically encoded information into electrical signals is called Hall effect sensor. Hall effect sensor is represented here. This comprises of p-type semiconductor Hall element as well as a magnet. Let us start discuss how the Hall effect sensor functions briefly. A Hall effect device or sensor is a solid state device that is becoming more and more popular because of its many uses in different types of applications. Hall effect sensors are devices which are activated by an external magnetic field. We know that a magnetic field has two important characteristics: flux density B and polarity, that is north and south poles. The output signal from a Hall effect sensor is a function of magnetic field density around the device. When the magnetic flux density around the sensor exceeds a certain preset threshold, the sensor detects it and generates an output voltage called the Hall voltage, V suffix H. Hall effect sensors consist basically of a thin piece of a rectangular p-type semiconductor material such as gallium arsenide, GaAs, indium antimonide or indium arsenide, passing a continuous current through itself. When the device is placed within a magnetic field, the magnetic flux lines exert a force on the semiconductor material which deflects the charge carriers, electrons and holes to either side of the semiconductor slab. This movement of charge carriers is a result of the magnetic force they experience passing through the semiconductor material. Advantages of Hall effect sensors are as follows. Production of an output voltage signal independent of the rate of the detected field. Hall effect sensors are built from semiconductor material that display low carrier density, hence conductivity is smaller and their voltage is larger. A high speed operation is possible. Hall sensors can measure zero speed. Disadvantages of Hall effect sensors. Hall effect sensors work on the principle of a magnetic field, making it possible for external magnetic fields to interfere with this and bias the measurement of current flow. The Hall effect sensor is not capable of measuring a current flow at a distance greater than 10 cm. However, use of a magnet strong enough to generate a magnetic field wide enough may make this possible. Temperature affects the electrical resistance of the element and the mobility of majority carriers and also the sensitivity of Hall effect sensors. Even with the well-centered electrodes, the offset voltage still presents as an output voltage in the absence of a magnetic field. Analog output sensor applications include current sensing, variable speed drives, motor control protections or indicators, power supply sensing, motion sensing, diaphragm pressure gauge, and flow meters. Thank you very much for listening this lecture. If you like this lecture means kindly share this video to your friends. For further updates, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.